when I was at Lilly Oncology, I worked in the medical reported through pharmaceutical research and development, and we had a great leader, Dr. Stephen Paul, who ran R&D. And what he said back then is partially the answer to your question. We had just gotten through a town hall, and someone came up to the microphone and said, Dr. Paul, he just laid out the whole pipeline, and we had a regulatory plan. And the question was, Dr. Paul, you've got all these molecules in your development and all these people in the room here. What's the hardest part of your job? This is a guy that had, several hundred molecules in discovery across the different therapeutic areas, and close to 700 or 800 people, I think, at the time reporting to him. And his answer stuck with me. I was probably 27, 28 years old, but I knew when I heard this was going to shape my leadership career and just the way I looked at life. And he said, by the time these molecules get through phase 1 and phase 2 and into phase 3, you pretty much know how they're going to behave. People, not so much. Think about that. People, in understanding people and having capacity to listen and empathize and knowing whether you're grabbing the carrot or the stick, and why, and giving people the chance to be heard. I think these are all the things that make an exceptional leader, rather than what we all kind of view at the beginning as, hey, Paul's in charge now, just get on board and follow me. And that doesn't last long. We all think we all think that's those are early mistakes that we all kind of fall into to some degree. But I think the exceptional leaders do that, and they recognize that human beings don't show up every day the same way, let alone every quarter or every year. So you really have to flex your style, not just one style with people, but in a 2 or 3 year, if you manage somebody, you may have to flex several different styles during that time when you're together. So that's what kind of takes the good to exceptional, in my opinion.